Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Sherry Vans. I have got a great mobility vehicle to show you today. This is a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica, and it is a loaded up Pacifica. This thing's got a ton of options, so stay tuned. Let's check them all out. Let's start here though, checking out this rear entry conversion. This has been done by a company known as ATS, and they put what we know in the industry as a long channel or a two-place channel in the rear of this van. Now, rear entry mobility vans definitely have their benefit. One, this is all an easy and what I would call almost unbreakable design compared to the side entries where we've got power ramps and power folding down ramps that go down the ground, and also power kneel, stuff that breaks. This really, there's nothing that moves in here that breaks. It's all done just by humans, and it's very easy and very simple design, which means it's generally always going to work, right? Also, this has room for 2 wheelchairs, and it's rear entry, so you don't have to have that parking space on the side of your van open up to load and unload. And also, you can get in and out in your garage, and you can park in any parking space. So nice feature to have there. So it's a 34-inch wide ramp, so if you're trying to measure your chair. And then we do have a little bit of a bottleneck here at the ramp catch. This is going to be about 33 inches from here to here. A 90-inch long channel, again, spot for 2 wheelchairs. It's got the tie-down Q-straints in the floor, and then it also has your Q-straints, one set of them up here in the front section. I've got them in the floor for you to check out. Basically what these are, I always like to say they're kind of like fancy ratchet straps. Pull this little red button here and they will tighten up and keep your wheelchair secure on all 4 corners. Now this here is just the factory mat. If you want to keep that in there, you surely can. Now this one I mentioned is loaded up Pacifica. It's got the rear screens back here. These are DVD. They also have games and stuff for the rear passengers to play. Also back here you have rear heat and air conditioning controls that the rear passengers can enjoy. And then these seats are heated back here. Notice you've got HDMI and USB hookups, and then it does have the Uconnect Theater box, which comes with 2 sets of the headphones, as well as all the remote controls and things for those 2 TVs. Now it does have the factory seats back here, which I always like that and appreciate that. If you do need wider, these seats can be removed, just a couple bolts if they maybe are impeding your space here, but there is a good distance from here to here. So, yep. Floor is a slip-resistant rubber-coated floor, and then the ramp itself is assisted by 2 gas-filled struts, so it's very light to raise and lower. The gas-filled struts are inside of this compartment here, and easy up, easy down. And then once you do get it up, this ramp is held in place. Let me set the keys down here by 2 latches. Keeps the ramp in place, keeps them from vibrating so bad when you're going down the road. And easy as that. And then to lower it down, you can push the button right here, or there's also a button on your keyless entry to lower the rear tailgate down. Just hit it twice and down it comes. It'll give you a couple beeps and a couple seconds to get out of the way. As it folds up, it really looks like a nice van. Got the wiper back here, electronic defrosting rear window, also has backup camera and backup sensors all in this van. Does have power sliding doors that can also be opened up on the keyless entry. This van has under 12,000 miles. Super clean. I love the color on it. I like how it has the blacked out wheels. And the wheels tend to turn that color after a while with all the brake discs, so it's nice to start that color. Got front parking sensors here. Front camera too. This thing's got cameras all around it. We'll show you that here in just a second. Financing is available on this Pacifica, so if you're interested in that, I'll post the link just for you down below. So take a look at that. A lot of our customers do. Exterior condition wise on this, excellent shape. Excellent shape. Open up this door for it. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I hit the tailgate button. Well, the tailgate's going up. I'll get it back down. But yeah, I meant to hit this door. Now I hit the right one. Looks really good. Also here on the keyless entry, you can see there's a lot going on, so I hit the wrong button. Unlock, lock, tailgate release, remote start, and then your power door releases for both sides, and panic button. All right, let's check out the inside. Notice here a little triangle in the mirror. That's your blind spot monitoring. This vehicle is equipped with that. Also, those mirrors are defrosting. Has a spot here for your umbrella if it's wet, and then you have power seat and four-way power lumbar. Seat itself looks great condition. It's leather, has the perforated insert in here. That allows the seat to stay cooler because it can breathe, being leather with those little holes in it, little perforations. And I already got it running. It's got 11,263 miles on it. No warning lights on the dash, as you can see. It does have automatic headlights, memory seats. So if you have a couple different drivers and you like where you keep your seat, you can program that in. Also, it has power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Steering wheel is leather. Nice stitching in it. Has hands-free connectivity, cruise control, and it also has adaptive cruise control, which is a nice new feature we're seeing on newer vehicles. It does have the color radio here. It says 8.4-inch wide screen here. They measure from here to here. And then I'm going to put it in reverse. We'll check out some of these cameras here. So it has the top view, or what I like to call the bird's eye view, or the don't poop on me bird view. This really allows you to see all around your van, particularly in parking, lets you know how much space it is. You have a couple different backup angles, a wide and a narrow, and then a couple front angles, again, wide and narrow. So literally cameras all around this van. It does have AM and FM radio, as well as Sirius XM capabilities. Now on this, you can control your climate on this. You can sync it together, which is what I like to do, keep everything uniform. And there's 3 zones. You have driver zone, passenger zone, and you can control the rear zone up here if there's no one in the back to control it, or maybe they can't reach it. Heated seats and heated steering wheel up here, and factory navigation. So literally all the options on the radio. Automatic transmission in these. And then buttons, if you like buttons instead of touchscreen, you got buttons for your air conditioning, heat, and all that. But for your phone, and then a USB to plug it in. Has your DVD. Those are for the rear DVD players back there. And more power options down there. Really, really nice van. Did pull up the history report on it. Never been in an accident. Score's really good. Just 2 previous owners. When you are shopping around for mobility vehicles, especially used ones, even maybe some new ones, take a look at this AutoCheck or Carfax report. Make sure, if you're not wanting one that hasn't been in a wreck, that hasn't been in a wreck. Because it seems like a lot of them that I see out there used have been in wrecks, even salvaged, where they've been totaled and then put back together. So just be aware of what you're buying. You know, I always like people to be aware of what they're buying. So it's nice to look at that report. And we post those on our website so you can take further information there. As always, thanks for hanging out with me. If this can help you out with some of the mobility issues and needs you're currently having, get a hold of our team. They'll be happy to help you. I'll post a couple links down in the description as well that'll help you. We've got a lot of different mobility vehicles, from these minivans that are rear entry to side entry vans that are minivans, and also we've got some full-size vans as well with big lifts in them. So really, we've got about every available option out there on our website, and we have an ease of doing business too. So check us out there. And as always, thank you for hanging out with me. If you made it this far, it's been 8 minutes. So thanks for your time of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.